Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is James from Position Exchange, and today I'm going to be guiding you through the process of buying POSI and staking your LP tokens at farming, because we received a lot of requests in that regard. So first thing you want to do is you want to go on position.exchange, click on exchange, and then go directly to connect your wallets. You will select your wallet provider app. For me, it's MetaMask. Click on MetaMask, and then your wallet is connected. Now what you want to do is you want to click on approve contract. If it's the first time you want to buy POSI, you will click on it there. You will see a button there. Just click on it, and then a screen will pop up on the right, and then confirm your approval. Once that is done, you want to add POSI to your wallet. Click on add POSI, and then you can add it very easily by confirming on the screen that pops up. Now let's move to the buy-in. Let's say I want to buy some POSI. Let's say I want to get 20 BUSD of POSI. So here I can see a little recap of the transaction. I can click on swap here, and I can read the information if I want about the price impact and the fees. Click on swap, you will see this recap actually. So I'll pay 20 POSI, I will get 31 20 BUSD, I will get 31 POSI. Now what you want to do is you want to confirm and pay your gas fee. Once it's done, transaction submitted, congratulations, you received your POSI. You can view and BUSD scan if wished to do so. See that actually the process is not complicated. Now you want to move to a farmer. Let's say you want to farm. The thing is, you cannot farm directly. You need to get something called LP tokens. The process is a little bit longer than swapping, but still very, very simple. So you want to make sure you get the LP tokens of the POSI BUSD pair. And how we do that first is you want to add liquidity. You go on liquidity, click add here, and you will see this interface. As you can see your balances over there. You have 30 POSI and I have 30 BUSD. And then you have to add the same amount. For example, let's say I want to add 20 POSI. I want to get the LP for 20 POSI. I have to add as well 12 BUSD. Click on approve POSI. You will see the pop-up screen on the right. Click on confirm, and you wait a little bit to get your LP tokens. The approval first. As you can see, the process as well is not that complicated. Once that is done, you can click on supply here, so you can receive your LP tokens. You can all the time take a look at the information everywhere. You click on supply here, confirm supply, little preview off. You will receive 15.9 LP tokens of the BUSD POSI pair. Click on confirm, waiting for your confirmation. Once that's done, congratulations, transaction submitted. What you want to do now is go on farming because you're pretty much ready to go. First thing you need to do is approve the contract. If this is the first time you want to farm, there's a little fee that comes with it. Once you confirm it, you wait a little bit for the confirmation from MetaMask, and then you will be able to farm your LP tokens. Taking a look at it now, it's ready. You can stake your LP. As you can see, your balance, your avail is 15.7 LP tokens. You want to stake 15, click on write 15 and click on confirm. You will see the pop-up screen on the right. Confirm again and give it a few seconds, and then you will see it's pretty much ready to go. Deposit over here. You can click on deposit if you want to add more LP tokens. As you can see, new avail is 0.7 because we have staked 15, and then you can see the details over here if you want to get more POSI BUSD. Here you will see the information, your staked LP, and then the harvest lookup period. You will only be able to actually harvest every 12 hours. This harvest lookup period will allow us to control the circulating POSI, the emission of POSI. So your LP tokens, actually, you can unstake them. Here you can see the POSI you've earned already, so 0.015 in this time that we have staked until now. And then you will be able to harvest each time it's possible for you actually to harvest, because you can harvest only every 12 hours. Here you can see some information, and here the staking calculation, the preview calculation. For example, if you stake 10 LP tokens or 15, you will be able to receive $84 per week, and then you can see the yearly income. Now see that our POSI earned are increasing. You can withdraw your LP tokens anytime by clicking the amount that you actually want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw your 15 LP tokens, but the harvest, you can only actually get it every 12 hours. As you guys can see, this is a very simple process to buy and farm. So let's go, guys. Let's do it.